Bitcoin is really driving prices today. Guys, everybody's expecting a Bitcoin ETF to be approved within the next week, possibly even by today. Now, I highly doubt that we get any news today. I hope I'm wrong, but I highly doubt we do. I think the SEC is going to drag their feet. I don't think that the SEC is just going to be all of a sudden 2024 rolls in, they roll out the red carpet to cryptocurrency and begin recognizing these things with legitimacy like the crypto world would like. But Terra Luna Classic is reacting. And I believe that 2024 is setting itself up to be a major front for cryptocurrency sort of regulation, lawsuits, and so on. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Terra Luna Classic, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at cold storage or DeFi wallet. And thank you to everybody going out there to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch. Appreciate every single one of you guys for doing that. And I don't know if you realize this or not, but you are contributing to shibainu coin burns along the way, so make sure to check that out if you guys want to help out the cryptocurrency world and rock your brand new favorite hoodie. Man, come on, get started on it. All right, here's the headline that's driving prices today. It says SEC could inform spot Bitcoin ETF applicants of approval by January 3rd. Now, January 3rd is tomorrow. Right? I highly doubt we get any information as early as tomorrow, but this is what's really got a lot of people excited. I believe January 10th, it's in this article somewhere, I believe January 10th is the deadline for the approval or disapproval. It says the United States main securities regulator could inform spot Bitcoin ETF applicants of approval in the coming days, Reuters said on December 29th. According to that report, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, may tell applicants on Tuesday, January 2nd, or Wednesday, January 3rd, that they have clearance to launch their exchange-traded funds. This would reportedly give those applicants time to prepare for launch on January 10th. The SEC must approve or reject an application from ARK 21 shares at that time, but could also decide on other pending applications simultaneously. At least a dozen asset managers intend to offer a spot Bitcoin ETF on various exchanges, including NASDAQ, CBOE, BZX, and the New York Stock Exchange. Reuters did not state which applicants are likely to which applicants are likely to be approved, but noted several firms submitted amendments on December 29th in line with a deadline for changes. Firms that submitted amendments then included BlackRock, VanEck, Valkyrie, Bitwise, Invesco, Fidelity, WisdomTree, and others including ARK Invest and Grayscale recently submitted amendments as well. Now, this is obviously driving news. And guys, we'll talk about Terra Luna Classic in a second here. But what's happening if these Bitcoin ETFs get approved, let's put it this way. If these Bitcoin ETFs get approved, we are going to see a mass inflow of money into the cryptocurrency space. Money that currently does not recognize Bitcoin as legitimate, does recognize BlackRock and all of these other players as legitimate. When it offers those ETFs on a regulated stock exchange, money will flow in because they understand that these cryptocurrency exchanges are not regulated in the same way. Now, with that being said, however, be very, very careful because everybody in the market is expecting these ETFs to be approved. If the SEC comes in and drags their feet, if the SEC comes in and plays some games and says no, you could see a huge pullback in the crypto space. You know, so I would almost say just exercise caution no matter what at this point in time. Because if a Bitcoin ETF is approved, we may have some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event where you see a pullback. And then as that institutional money begins to inflow, then the prices begin to rise. If it gets disapproved or denied, you're almost guaranteed to have a pullback at that point, because the only reason it's floating higher right now is because of speculation of an approval. So it is going to be heavily, heavily tied to what happens over the next couple of days. In terms of Terra Luna Classic, Terra Luna Classic isn't necessarily interested in an ETF right now, but we have had a lot of news lately about Terra Luna Classic, or Terra, versus the SEC. It says federal judge rules that Luna and MIR tokens are securities. Now, I'm not going to read this full article again because we've already gone through it, so you guys can watch the video on that if you want a little bit more detail. But the Judge Rakoff, orders explicitly states that there is no genuine dispute that UST, Luna, Wrapped Luna, and MIR are securities because they are investment contracts. This declaration supports the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission stance, setting the stage for potential regulatory implications on the crypto tokens involved. Guys, what this all boils down to is 2024 is going to be a pivotal year for cryptocurrency regulation and cryptocurrency laws. I don't know, right? I don't know how Luna and all of these tokens that Do Kwon founded are going to play out. What I do know is that Terra Luna Classic is a different blockchain than Terra Luna. That judge right there mentions Terra Luna in its decision, not Terra Luna Classic. So, first and foremost, you have to differentiate between those. But if we have the SEC winning on all fronts, this is going to be very similar to the beginning of 2023. 2023 was a very difficult year because the SEC made it very difficult. 2024 could be a very difficult year if the SEC decides to make it difficult. But if they begin to play game, or if they begin to play ball, and they approve a Bitcoin ETF, if they begin to legitimize the cryptocurrency space here in the United States, I am telling you what, brace yourselves for a beautiful bull market to begin. I want to know what you guys think about all of it down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.